here are 5 websites where you can get free sound effects that will help you save time and upgrade your videos to make them more engaging and have a better emotional impact. Number 5 is absolutely a steal. Let's go. Number 1 is freesound.org. Freesound has more than 500,000 sounds and effects and covers a wide range of subjects. Just go to the link and click sounds, and then you can learn more about their license by hovering on these icons. Number 2 is Mixkit.co. Mixkit is a free gallery with stock video clips with no watermarks, music tracks, sound effects, and video templates. Just go to the link and click sound effects, choose the sound effect that you want, and click download. For this website, attribution is appreciated but not required. Number 3 is freesfx.co.uk. It has over 500,000 music tracks and sound effects that you can use. Just go to the link and choose whatever sound effects you would like to use.